Hi, I'm Curet.
And I'm Guihur.
And today we're going to teach you how you can make your own face mask using a few household items in a few simple steps.
You can use a towel, an old rag, a scarf, or even an old t-shirt to create this mask.
Fold it through the middle from the bottom. Fold it to the middle from the top. Fold it again to the middle from the bottom. Then again to the middle from the top. Then put a rubber band on each side. And fold either side to the middle. And you have created your very own mask.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today and you guys learned something. If you have any questions or doubts, contact us in our email in the description. Goodbye!